Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, we'll walk you through how to generate product labels using a spreadsheet. After logging in, go to the Product menu and select Generate via Spreadsheet. Then, choose a label design from the drop-down menu. This menu shows both Label Resizer's default template and the ones you created using the label editor. If you click the gear icon on the right, you'll open the settings page for Label Resizer's default product label template, where you can adjust label size and enable or disable various label features. After adjusting your settings, download the spreadsheet template for your selected label design and fill in the required fields for the product labels you want to generate. Save your spreadsheet template and open the Generate via Spreadsheet page. Next, upload your spreadsheet file by dragging it into the dotted area or by clicking the same area to select a file from your computer. Once your template is uploaded, your labels will be generated and automatically downloaded to your computer. Label Resizer, all-in-one solution for your labeling needs.